There are various major challenges to be met in switchgear manufacturing. They include short delivery times, but at the same time high-quality demands, both self-imposed and those set by our customers. A third factor is the very high number of different variants to be taken into account when manufacturing switchgear. And then there is, of course, the enormous cost pressure. As a prerequisite for future-oriented production, we need partners with whom we can tackle precisely such challenges. The whole manufacturing process is dependent on optimum planning. For this we need good and reliable data, efficient planning tools and end-to-end processes. There was no way we could achieve significant improvements in productivity without automation. We needed end-to-end digitized and above all networked systems so as to be able to establish lean processes. The biggest time drains are manual tasks. We have to become more efficient here. Enclosure concepts which greatly simplify assembly are one means to enhance efficiency. With solutions from Rittal and EPLAN, we have developed into an industrial switchgear manufacturer. We were able to increase our productivity by 30% and have come a decisive step closer to our objective of enclosure manufacturing 4.0.